We are confident we have the next generation innovative solution for worker safety in railway maintenance.
From technological point of view, transformation are expected to converge towards a worldwide more and more digital railway. Guided by our values, our Global Industry X experts and collaborators joined their efforts to co-create a prototype device intended to facilitate rail track maintenance. Its prime concern: it's strongly connected to workers' protection and well-being.
This complex equipment combines electrical and mechanical components with cloud connectivity.
The main purpose is to generate a short circuit between the rail tracks to signal the interlocking system that the segment is safely blocked for maintenance.
Railway is a heavily standardized industry. A set of safety-critical requirements is established based on a rigorous safety assessment process and has a fundamental impact on the product lifecycle.
The solution relies on cloud-based IoT system connected to the railway's operation center.
Product compliance is acknowledged through a certification assessment, conducted and finalized by an external organization.
We believe this is a game changer for railway operators to get on-track safety for the railway works.